race. And the race is on. Royal Scepter from the outside. Real Magic. Lovely Tara Danoni inside. Dayang. Sunday Street racing in fifth by the rallies Marigold. And Luck of the Irish is the early trailer. Real Magic, Royal Scepter, Lovely Tara from the outside, Dayang. And on the outside, Sunday Street Marigold, Ravishing Ravi, Luck of the Irish. Rounding the far turn, Real Magic, Royal Scepter is running in second. Lovely Tara also rushing up Sunday Street, Dayang, Marigold, Luck of the Irish, Ravishing Rafi. As they race the last 400, Real Magic by the rallies, Royal Scepter, Lovely Tara, Sunday Street, Dayang, Marigold, and Ravishing Ravi, Luck of the Irish. And nearing the finish line, it's a Real Magic, Royal Scepter, Danoni inside. Real Magic, Royal Scepter, firing it up for the lead. Real Magic, Royal Scepter, Real Magic, and finally Royal Scepter, Real Magic, Sunday Street, Lovely Tara, Marigold, Ravishing Rafi, Dayang, and number 1, Luck of the Irish.